Well, good morning, YouTube followers. This is day 4. Supposed to be checked out today, but I don't think that's going to happen. Being as I got that late day start. What's happened so far is I was feeling pretty good, moving around, doing all my exercises, doing the breathing things. They got a lot of things you got to do. But then yesterday I did all my exercises with the help of my wife. An hour later they came in here and took me out to do even more exercises, which put me back from I was at probably a 5, and put me back up to an 8 in the pain scale. Not pleasurable. So hopefully this morning everything has gone back. Well, I'm sure they know what they're doing, pushing me to get to where I can get out of here. So far, yesterday I walked, probably 6 feet with a walker naturally, and 2 burly guys, one on each side of me, to get me over to the bathroom door so I'd seen it. My goal today is to not only see it, but use it. So, still have no qualms really about getting them both done. I know there's some people in here that's got one done and is already at home recouping. But then they're going to come back and do it all over again. I'll keep you posted on this 2-knee project. So, if you're going to have it done, this may help you out. Right now, I'm not in too much pain, but I've been laying here and even tried to lay on my side last night. Problem with that is the only thing I had to prop myself up with was ice bags. I about froze myself. Too many ice bags. Anyway, thanks for following me, and I'm in good spirits. Thanks to all of you guys out there. And subscribe so you can get the rest of these updates. Sorry about the shadow, but I made them put a bar in here so I can lift myself up, move around a little bit. Because I found out my arms aren't near as strong as they used to be when they have to pick up this little dainty body of mine. So, that's all I have to say today. I'll talk at you soon. Bye.